This is what life is really like for soldiers on the front lines of the Russia-Ukraine war. Even though it's freezing outside, they still have to endure the cold and hold their positions in the trenches. If they're tired and need a break, they have no choice but to lie down in the cold snow. When it's time to swap shifts, things get a little better. They can crawl into a sleeping bag. It's still freezing, but at least it's better than lying out in the snow. Even when the weather warms up a bit, it's still rough. Melting ice turns the trenches into a muddy mess. There's no easy access to clean water, and even their weapons are covered in grime. To get some rest, they try to find a relatively dry spot curling up in a small trench, so them prone to trench foot. The only way they can keep their feet dry is by drying them by the fire. Because supplies are so limited, the soldiers have to make do with makeshift shelters, but even then, rain still leaks in through the cracks. The situation outside the trench isn't any better. Logistics vehicles often get stuck in the rough terrain and can't move forward. In these harsh conditions, the soldiers not only have to deal with the cold and hunger, but they also have to stay alert for surprise attacks from the enemy.